Today, what I'm talking about is something that you've got growing in your garden that you want to dig up and move to another place. So let's cover some fundamentals regarding transplanting an existing plant. A transplanter shovel can be really handy. It's got a slim throw on it and you can get down there. You just want to go straight down vertically around the plant, a good buffer zone, estimate where you think the root zone is, and you're going to keep going around until you see that plant start to rise up out of the ground. And at some point you'll probably hear some roots pop and snap. See, I got a decent amount of roots there. That's what I was going for. I decided I'm going to put it in this container here. I've already got a bunch of soil in this container. One other thing I did, you want to be very gentle, but I was careful to try to remove some of the excess garden soil. The garden soil is a lot heavier and I really don't want a lot of it transferring to my container. I think it's going to line up about right. I'm going to gently place it in here and see what I need to do from there. This is one of my favorite amendments, soft rock phosphate. I want to stimulate new roots. So I'm going to go around, sprinkle those directly on the roots that I see around the top of the soil. Now I'm going to add a little bit of fresh potting soil. Now I'm gently going to firm the soil in. This is just like transplanting into a raised bed, guys, only a little bit different dimensions. Alright, that looks pretty good to me. Now I'm going to give it a really good watering in, and hopefully this soil won't skip a beat. I'm going to put it right up front, outside the front door where I keep some kitchen herbs. Alright guys, I hope that's helpful to you. A couple of quick tips on transplanting plants from a raised bed garden into a pot. Thanks so much for watching, y'all. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you got some tips, and I hope you're feeling a bit more confident about transplanting in the vegetable garden. If you like what you see and you want to see more of it, please subscribe to my page. Leave me a question or a comment below, and as always, keep it organic.